We are learning Golang, and this is the 10th video in the playlist Golang for Kids. So today we'll learn about the IDE, and then go run command and go build command. So in other videos we saw we were writing our programs in RippleIt. So that is also one way you can continue writing in a RippleIt. That's also okay. But from now onwards, I'm going to write the program in a IDE, and then I want you to also install the IDE in your computer, and in a IDE we can write your program. So there are many advantages in writing the program in IDE. We'll see all those things slowly as we write the program. So IDE is a stands for integrated development environment, and there are many IDEs for Golang. One is the Golang. It's not Golang but Golang. It's very popular, but we have to pay for that. Community version is free for 1 month, and after that we have to pay. So in the companies, many Golang developers prefer using Golang. LiteIDE is a free. VS Code is free. Uh, Today I'm going to show you LiteIDE, and that's that's the ID what I have already installed in my local. So we'll use the LiteIDE for development, and then we'll set up this, and then we'll run a program, and we'll see how build the application. So let's start that. So first thing is how to install this LiteIDE. So go to the internet and then search like install LiteIDE Mac, or in Windows, whatever you can say. Yeah, and before installing the LiteIDE, we need to install the Golang itself. So first start with the Golang. So install Golang in Mac. We'll see the download and install, and then click on the download. We can see which one you need. We need for the Microsoft Windows or Apple. So we want for the Apple. So based on your computer configuration you can use. I have already installed, but I'm just showing you. Let's see, I want to install this. Then click on here. It will go and downloads this downloads. Then yeah, it's already downloaded. Go to the Finder and downloads, and you can see here. So double click this and follow the instruction, and the Golang will be eventually installed in your local system, so either Windows or Mac. So if it is successfully installed, then we can verify. Go to the terminal. I'm using iTerm here. You can use any terminal, like let's say command spacebar, and you can pass terminal here. So then you can the terminal, and then type go and version. So if it is successfully installed, you will see some version, and here I can see the go version 120. So that's 120 1.20. That is the Golang version I have already installed in my system. So in that way you will see go 122, because that is currently 122 is the latest version. So in that way you can install Golang. So the Golang is successfully installed. So next step is install IDE. So install Golang IDE LiteIDE Mac. LiteIDE is a simple open source cross-platform Go IDE. Click on here. and same way follow the instructions. You will yeah, this is the way. So is it the right one? Let's check another one. LiteIDE for Mac install. Yeah, this is the one. Yeah, so you can follow the instructions, and then you can install the LiteIDE either in Mac or Windows. So once you successfully install LiteIDE, then you can open that. LiteIDE like this. Okay, now you have to open some folder where you want to put your programs. So go to the terminal, and then from your user, like if you do the pwd, then you can see users and your username, and inside this there will be Go folder because you install Golang. So there will be Golang Go folder. So go to the Go folder, and inside this there will be source folder. If it is not source folder there, you can create the source folder, src. So inside this you can, if I do the ls, I can see the bean and src. So if it is there, that's fine. If it's not there, then you can create src folder. So like make dir and src, it will create the src folder. So this file already exists, so that's why it didn't create. So you can create that and then go inside src, and then I can create another folder, make dir Golang for kids. Let's do one word, Golang for kids. So this is the place where I'm going to create all of our examples, Golang for kids, or maybe we can create another folder also, that's fine. But for today, at least I'm going to create our Golang file here. So this is inside source. So in a LiteIDE, now go file, open folder, and then source, we'll go to the source. So let's just start from YouTube user, your whatever the user you have, then click on the Go, then click on the source, click on the Golang for kids, and then open. That's open now. There is nothing. Right click on this and then create a new file. So new file, so let's say main.go, create. So main go will appear here, and you can type the program. So package main, and then from main. We need to import also. So import fmt, and then print the hello. How to run this? Go to the terminal. So here in the bottom you can see here terminal. I will click here terminal, and then clear the screen, and then you can use the command go run. And before that, you see we typed here and it's not saved, so I can click, or I can press command S. So now it's saved, that star disappeared. Then go run, and then file name. So no such file or directory, so we have to see the path where we are. So I can do the pwd, Now we are in YouTube, so we have to go to this place. So you can go to this place using the cd command, or otherwise, right click here and then open terminal here, open integrated terminal. You'll see another another tab, and if you see the if you do the pwd, you are directly in Golang for kids. So from here you can type go run and then main.go, and saying now we can see the output hello. So that's the output of this program. So this font is font is small, first thing, and another one is it's not auto saving. So let's find that option. So it will be somewhere here, so in the LiteIDE, and then go to the preferences. Okay, automatically save the documents when application is idle 3 seconds. So you can check this. So in a 3 seconds, if you are idle, then the file will be saved automatically. Maybe go to the editor, it's not the keyboard. So check for the font. So I'm just checking where is this, how can increase the font. Maybe editor, yeah, size. So make it 14, 18, let's check. Yeah, 18. Yeah, so now it's a little bit bigger. So you can, yeah, whatever the size you want, you can put there. So this is the way to run the program. If you want to build the executable file, then you can say go build, and whatever the file, what's the executable file you want to give. So maybe I can say Golang, or like, let's say my first program, or program one, let's say the program one, p1, just p1, that's fine, p1, and then main.go. If I do the ls, so you can see the p1 here. If I do the ls, I can see the main go and the p1. So p1 is the executable file. So if I just run the p1, then it will show its instructions, like the output of this program is hello. So that's why it showed the hello. So that's all for today. Thank you.